Welcome back guys. In the last video we have selected campaign objective. So let's review this detail page. You can change the name from here, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. Now we have add categories. What it does, it asks 5 to 6 questions related to your campaign. So let's do the demo. So it is asking, is any part of your ads about financial products or services? You can just say yes or no. So I'm clicking no here. Okay, click on next. Are your ads about employment? Basically no, but if you are running ads for hiring people, you can select yes. Click on next. Are your ads about hosting? We're gonna select no for this as well. And now you can just click on done. Here it is asking for categories. So you can select multiple options here, or you can leave it as it is. Next up we have campaign details, that you can leave it as it is. If you want to change your campaign, you can change it from here. When you scroll down, you will see advantage campaign budget. Now this is the real deal here. Turn it on. You can start running ads with just $1 a day. It offers two options, daily budget and lifetime budget. In daily budget, it's gonna continue spend money on the ads that you set here until you make it stop. For example, if you set a budget for $1 a day, it's gonna spend $1 every day until you make it stop. And for the lifetime budget, you just need to enter a final amount. For example, if I'm setting lifetime budget of 300, it's gonna spend only the 300 and it could spend all in one day or 1 week, but it's gonna spend only the amount that you're gonna put here. So that is how this lifetime budget works. Now we have budget scheduling option. It's when your ad performs good and you want to increase the amount for a special occasion or sale, you can do it from here. And lastly, we have A/B testing. What is A/B testing? It's gonna select two types of different audience group. For example, group A is doctor and group B is engineer. And it's gonna run your campaign to both of them. If group B buys more of your product, this will help you know more about your audience. This is great option if you don't know what is your target audiences are. So let's select one. Click on audience. Let's test it for 2 days. You can leave it cost per result and click on next. Now we have ad set option. We will cover this in our next video. So please subscribe for that. And meanwhile, you can check out MagicShot AI app. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. You can comment down below.